What's going on, YouTube? Hey, today I'm just gonna be giving y'all a basic tutorial on how to do a basic taper fade. Right here, what I'm doing is just combing out the hair. You always want to comb out the hair. That's the first step. Comb or brush the hair out before you do anything else. Get the hair to lay down. You know what I'm talking about? Let's get it. Hey man, right here, I'm just starting off with a guideline, you know what I'm saying? Because I want to see where my fade gonna take me. I want to see what I'm gonna do, you know what I'm saying? I want to see the fade before doing the fade. So you always start with that bottom guideline, balding it out, if you're gonna do a bald taper. You feel me? And right here, I'm just creating that second guideline so I can see that space between the first guideline and the second guideline as I'm fading it. You feel me? And I'm gonna just go ahead right after this and knock out that first guideline that I created. I'm gonna go ahead and get something to bald, you know, get that bald bulk line out at the bottom. So right here, I took my balders. It's a balding blade on them things, you understand me? Hey, these Babyliss Pro, these Babyliss, man, they doing their thing, man, with these clippers, man. So like I said, I'm just knocking that bottom line out right there. And as you can see, it didn't really get it all the way out. So what I did was picked up my edges and just hit it with the end teeth, you feel me? And I'm just working that line out right there. Voila, boom, magic. Yes, sir. And we're gonna keep playing with that thing, you understand me? Until we get that fade the way we want it to look. And right here, till I got that second bulk, that bulk line right there, I'm just 0.5, my guy. So all we doing 0.5, get that 0.5. You feel me? I know you see that fade coming in there. I know y'all do. We ain't gonna say nothing about that. Open, close. You feel me? Open, close. And after I use that 0.5, I'ma always get that one guard and knock out that little line right there. You feel me? Y'all see it? So what I did right here, I went ahead and got that 1.5 just to kind of take it up, just to help the hair lay down a little bit more. You know, go with the grain just to get it to lay down. And then I'm gonna get that one guard because that 1.5 really didn't do what I wanted to do. You feel me? So that one guard gonna lay it down. You dig what I'm saying? Yeah, I see that little line right there. Yeah, we going across the edge of too. Y'all see that little line right there? I know y'all see it. Cause I see what that man gonna do to get it up out of there. Yes, sir. So right here, with the excess line right there, we just gonna open and close the lever until we get that look we wanted to get, you know what I mean? When you open it all the way up and barely go into it, it's gonna do what you want it to do every single time. Do y'all talk to y'all clippers? Cause I do. Look at that. And again, we just I'm just cleaning it up right now, just because, you know, I want y'all to see that fade before we hit that other side. You see what I'm saying? And we're gonna do the same thing on every other side. You feel me? Y'all see it coming in there, don't you? I know y'all see it coming in there. That fade in there. We ain't got nothing to, you know, we ain't got nothing to really, you know, talk about, do about. Yeah, steam. Look at that fade. Y'all see it? And you always wanna just, you know, make sure it's clean. Make sure the fade is clean. Make sure it looks good before going to the next side. You feel me? And right here, man, I just went on ahead and did the other fade. No needing. Showing y'all this side of the things and whatnot, man, and just pretty much laying all the excess hair down that I see that I don't like. Just, you know, getting it in there, you feel me? Cleaning up areas that I feel like needs to be touched up. I always do that before, you know, doing anything else. And right here, man, look, I don't know what y'all use on y'all edge ups, man. I like liquid razor, you feel me? I always do that, you know, just so that the edge up can always pop and be crisp, even if you don't enhance it or anything like that, you feel me? I always do something like that just to lay the excess hair down, you feel me? Then I blow dry it just to get it to dry quicker, you feel me? Y'all see it? Y'all see it because I see it. The fade there without the edge up, you feel me? So what y'all think gonna happen when the edge up pop on it? That boy gonna pop. Right here we just cleaning up the face. We're gonna go ahead and start on that edge up. I like to start on the neck first. Just depends on how I'm feeling at the time. There's no right way or no perfect place to start an edge up. You feel me? Ooh, y'all see that right there, boy. I'm telling you. Cut ain't even done yet. Look at that. The edge will make it pop. Look at that. You understand me? Ooh, that fade, boy. It's finna fade finna blow out the screen on you, boy. It's finna pop out. Now on the front of the edge up, I always start with the middle. You start with the middle, go to the right side, then pop back towards the left side. You know what I mean? Wee, man, look at that fade. Come on, big arm. Move out the way. Alright, look at that fade, man. Sharp edge. You see what I'm saying? Y'all see it. I know y'all see it. Come on now. Come on, man. Look at that. Ooh-wee. That boy got the sauce. Sauce. Pork got him. You hear me? That boy got the sauce, boy. This boy getting designed. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my God. Look at that edge up. Oh my. Oh, okay. Oh, snap. Now I'm bringing out this hot sauce right here. You feel me? This like, for those of y'all who like ranch and hot sauce on y'all food and stuff, this is really like the ranch and hot sauce of a cut. You feel me? I normally don't do enhancements on everybody, but certain people want it. You know what I'm saying? Certain people ask for it, and this is the right here. This is the sauce. You know your favorite dipping sauce that you like? This is what that is right there. You know what I'm saying? I told y'all he had the sauce. Oh my God. Oh my God. Anytime after you do the sauce, the special sauce, you always want to tap that edge up, you know, just to make it pop. Tap it one more time just to make it pop. You see what I'm saying? And you don't want to do too much. I see a lot of people going to the extreme, and I'm not gonna lie, I had to learn that. There's a certain. You just have to find that area. You don't want to be up too close when you spraying that stuff, man. The sauce on them, because then you make it look all milky and dark and discolored from the fade and all that different stuff, man. You want it to blend just right. Don't just hold it in one spot. You gotta tap sometimes. You see what I'm saying? Oh my God, we got a visitor. Oh my God. Yes, sir. And right here, man, I like to just, this is what I do when I straight razor, you know what I'm saying? Put that little line, you know, with the pencil, you feel me? I use the brown pencil. I see a lot of people using the white pencil. I like to use the little tan brown pencil because it blends in more, you feel me? And if you're going to enhance a cut, man, you do it right. I had to learn that the hard way. Trust me, a lot of this stuff is trial and error. But you'll get it, you feel me? Every single time you're going to get it right. Yes, sir. That boy got that sauce. Look at him. Hey, that boy got that sauce. Look at him. Yep. Hey, he got that sauce. He got that sauce. He got that sauce. I'm trying to tell y'all. What God love. Look at that. Look at that. And y'all see how, like I said, with that sauce, it just blends in natural. If I wouldn't have showed that, y'all probably wouldn't even knew that it was on there. You see what I'm saying? On me. I'm out.